Back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So firstly open Google Chrome, then click on three dots, scroll down, click on settings. Here you will see search engine, click on search engine. You can see search engine, it will be default search engine is Google. Now it's time to change it, like click on change. From here I am changing it to Google to Bing, then set as default. It will be instantly changed. Now we will see Microsoft Bing. You can anything search, it will be search through Bing. We can try once more, like we are changed to Yahoo India, then click on Yahoo India, then set as default. Here you will see, click on refresh page. Again open new window. It's not changed yet. Click on Yahoo India, then set as default. Now here you will see anything we can search, it will be opened in Yahoo India. And that's it. Changing your default search engine in Chrome is super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and the bell share the video to your friends and family. Thanks for watching.